don't have to worry about that battery going dead anytime soon. Or is it really that big? Is that all battery or is it just a large cell?
Just a large.
This is a drum mag. That's the drum mag for it then?
Yep.
Nice. How many rounds it hold?
About 3,500. I can get like 4,000 in there now.
That's awesome. Ready? Probably they're gonna haul her when they're ready.
No, did you walk on in?
I'm gonna get on the side.
Yeah.
They don't holler when they're ready in about 5 seconds. I'm just gonna walk right in.
Get shot? Okay, Lance, you can do this.
Okay.
We'll just wait for it to swing like a
Lance
woman.
says he got this, guys.
Come in. You guys are 5-on-1. We got Superman out here. He's coming in.
Go in, Lance.
It's all you, big boy.
Man, I don't even sound fun.
Well, the only thing that'd be any better is if we made you wear nothing but a Speedo.
Ow.
We've talked about that. Well, some people
Yeah.
don't think so.
Yeah.
It's not real man airsoft.
Right around the door to the left, there's a way you can go through the bar. Is that door open right to the left? First door on your left? Hey, is that door open? Guys, move up. Guys, move up. Guys, move up. Move up. Come on. He's up in the bar all alone. We cleared all these. He's up in the bar. Move up. Move up. Our teammate's up in the bar. Like I said.
Pussy's doing? Get up here.
I'm DMR, I'm supposed to be in the back.
Pretty certain they're all down here. Pay attention here.
Hey. Door's open. Guys, look out, laser. Where are they? Are they all the way down there? Let's clear this hallway. we cleared this hall? Have we cleared this hall? Oh, watch our backs. Is it clear?
Always all clear.
This hallway's clear. They're all down that way. There's a way that we can get, if we go through the kitchen, we can get midway, but there's probably a guy in there.
What's wrong with my shit?
We can get halfway down that hallway if we go through the kitchen.
Yeah, they're all sitting down there.
Yeah.
Give me a shot over here.
No, they're shooting all the way back down. Guys, should I run across? Yeah, look out.
Hey, Austin.
Look out, laser.
What?
Look out, guys, there's a laser.
The bed?
Chair.
Oh, they got all burnt. They got all burnt last time we used anything for the riot shield.
Aww.
Yeah.
Dude, leave it, just leave it. Where are they into the kitchen? Which door?
Both doors.
Both doors? Like, what is... Dude, no use.
Hey, don't worry. You sure? Are you done now?
Huh?
You can shoot him. Got him.
Yeah.
I pull it here, right, please.
Well, you should have go out and get on that can.
Yeah, because otherwise, we knew this battery wasn't gonna last all game. We know where you're at anyway.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Hey, Lance, pull that chair back.
I can use it for your shield. Cover fire.
Oh, pull it, sit down.
It's the DMR up there.
It's in there.
Damn, dude just lit up my whole ear.
If I could do a full arm, I would.
Yeah, I just got the whole side of my face lit up.
Hey, if you're dead, from the other side, then you might be, finding the exit.
They're all hiding in the door.
We got 2 watching kitchen.
Oh, God, shit. Hey!
Whoa! I'm going back there, Mike. Look after this. Whoa!
Is he out? Where is he? Guy inside the closet. Closet. He's inside the closet. The one with the open door. He's hiding behind the door. Hey, watch the doorway. You watch the doorway. I'll get on the closet. Watch the doorway. Inside the left closet. Hit. Good shot. Oh, geez, right in the face. Yeah.